Hey YouTube, just another quick video here. A lot of you probably has a bush cutter. You know, this is a weed eater, but you can get the attachment for the bush saw, if you want to call it that. But for the grease, the gear here, there's a screw on the other side, but it's so hard to get grease in there with the grease gun. So just like I say, it is a quick video. I just want to show you what I did here. What I did was I got a piece of rod, you know, appropriate size. I don't know what this is, probably, I have no idea. But just take the screw that's in there and get your tap and die set. Check the thread, pitch, and so on. And then find the appropriate rod. You don't need very long. I mean, this air is about an inch. So just take this, drill a hole on the drill press. Drill hole as close to the center as you can get, with as big of a bit that you don't need a real big bit, but enough that the grease will come out of there. And then on the other end, you drill and tap for the grease nipple. Right? You measure the thread on the grease nipple, find the tap, and it ain't, you know, it's not very big. So tap this in, screw your grease nipple in. You got this is threaded. You take out the screw that's in there, you put this in, hook up your grease gun, and Bob's your uncle. Simple as that. It just made a mess with trying to get the grease gun on there. There's nothing to attach the grease gun to, and you got the nozzle up there, and you're trying to hold it, and you're squeezing the grease gun, and it's just squirting all over the place. You got it on the floor, you got it on your boots. Yeah, it's just a mess. So that's just a little tip there that you can do to get grease into your bush saw gears. There is some, I guess, would have a grease nipple, but mine did not. It just had a screw with a small hole, and it's useless. But yeah, thanks guys.